Are you ready to apply to Spring Arbor University? Here's a quick walkthrough of the application process. First, start by visiting springarbor.edu and selecting Apply Now. Whether you're a first-time freshman, transfer student, or pursuing another academic pathway, everyone begins with the same application. Once you've created your account, complete all required fields and submit your application. We encourage you to provide as much information as possible when completing your application. This helps us identify scholarship opportunities and other resources you may be eligible to receive. If you don't have your Social Security number available at the time you're applying, you can enter zeros to complete the application and provide that later. After you submit your application, you'll receive a confirmation email, and a member of our admissions team will reach out to you within 24 to 48 hours to help guide you through the next steps. We also accept applications through the Common App if that's your preferred method. After applying, you'll need to request that your official high school or college transcripts be sent to Spring Arbor University. Once we receive your transcripts, our admissions team will review your academic record and evaluate your application for admission. If you have any questions at any point during the process, we're here to help. Contact our admissions office at 517-750-6684 or email admissions@arbor.edu. We look forward to helping you take the next steps towards becoming a student at Spring Arbor University.